So I'm seeing YouTube people, I'm seeing Instagram people in the chat, which is wonderful. So always here to take your questions. My intent is to stream for 1 to 2 hours, which means we might lose some of our Instagram people after the first hour, but we'll see how it goes. You know, we'll kind of keep things loose, keep things flexible, just kind of have some fun data science discussion. I'm already seeing some great items in the chat. You know, I like to make my live streams very inclusive. I don't want anybody to feel like they can't participate if they're not some amazing data scientist. Just let us know where you're from. Let us know, you know, kind of where you are in your data science journey. Some people just like to introduce, you know, where they are in the city, state, country. I love hearing where different people are checking them from. So feel free to do that. I'm already seeing some great questions. So since we're doing something different, I don't mind jumping into questions right away. But right now, what's catching my eye is I'm seeing my good friend explore the beauty of nature.